My name is Cassandra M. Loriano. For today's video guys, tatalakayin natin ang difference between short-term and long-term project. Kung may alam ka na sa video natin, panoodin mo para mas malaman mo. What is the difference between short-term and long-term project? Ang long-term project, ang tinatagal nito ay buwan at taon, samantalang ang short-term ay araw o linggo. Yun ang kanilang pagkakaiba.
Differences between short-term and long-term projects by Tara Dugan. Short-term projects take a few hours, days, or weeks to complete. Long-term projects take months or even years to finish. Typically, companies require more documentation and infrastructure for longer-term efforts. Decisions about project governance usually depend on budget, resources required, business impact, and the scope of the project. Effective project managers start by assessing the project need and determining how much time is needed to meet the desired outcomes.
Differences between short-term and long-term projects. Well, projects are done for many reasons: to help the community, to help people get employed, to build a better community. Projects are done with many reasons. Tinitingnan natin yung pagkakaiba ng short-term and long-term projects. Ang short-term projects, pwede siya matapos in a few hours, days, or weeks to complete yung mga maliliit na proyekto. Ang long-term projects naman take a months or even years to finish. Let's say sa ating mga country, yung mga projects of the government, yung mga build project, yan ang nagsisimula sa mga panahon ni President Aquino, na yung iba ay natapos sa panunungkulan ni President Duterte at yung iba ay pwede pang matapos sa panunungkulan sa susunod na Pangulo ng ating bansa. Sometimes ginagawang away pa ng mga tao kung sino yung nagsimula, kung sino yung natapos, kaninong project natapos, pero kung titingnan natin yung mga mabuti ay dapat din natin tinitingnan doon. Dapat tinitingnan na lang natin natapos yung projects at yung magbe-benefits nun, walang iba kundi tayo mga Pilipino. At ang loyalty ay nasa Pilipino din at wala sa mga leaders. We respect our leaders, but our loyalty remains to our country, to our people. Kasi wala namang leaders kung walang tao, di ba? May halimbawa ang short-term at long-term project. Isa na ang short-term project, ang halimbawa nito ay ang feeding program, kung saan ang mga bata ay binibigyan ng mga libreng pagkain. Ito ay mga pangmadali ang proyekto lamang na karaniwan ay tumatagal lamang ng oras, linggo, or araw. At samantalang naman ang long-term project, ang tinatagal nito ay mga buwan, katulad na lamang ng paggagawa ng ating kalsada sa ating community. Sa pamamahala ng proyekto ay karaniwang nakadepende sa budget, resources o mga mapagkukunang mga kinakailangan at impact o epekto nito, at ang saklaw ng proyekto o ang tinatawag na scope. First consideration is the budget. So, paano daw yung budget sa short-term at long-term project? Siyempre, yung mga short-term project ay yung mga panandaliang proyekto, less yung mga resources and money para makomplete yung project na ito. Yung short-term project din is required only fewer parang step to get approved. Pero kapag larger project o yung pangmatagalang proyekto is complex, yung mga processes na kailangan pagdaanan. The budget is huge. Madaming kailangan i-purchase. Malaki yung budget na kailangan, mas matagal yung proseso para ma-approve ang larger project.
Budget. Short-term projects typically require less money to complete than long-term efforts. An exception might occur for a short-term disaster recovery effort or other unplanned event that requires immediate all-out attention. Because short-term projects typically cost less, they usually require fewer approvals to get started and completed. Short-term project leaders may simply keep track of expenditure in a spreadsheet, while larger, more complex projects might require the use of more sophisticated accounting software package to track and monitor forecasting and spending.
How about the resources? In connection, in a budget, we are talking also about the resources. Mas maliit yung proyekto, mas konting resources ang pwedeng mapagkunan. Ang resources ay legislative, pwedeng tao, pwedeng pera, at depende sa uri ng proyekto naman. Hindi rin gaanong kailangan ng huge expertise, di tulad ng mga long-term projects, kasi pwedeng ang projects na ito ay mag-last nga lang ng ilang oras o ilang araw. Yung mga malalaking proyekto as mas komplikado ang proseso. Mas madaming resources ang kailangan, mas maraming tao ang kailangan, mas madaming eksperto ang kailangan. And in terms of monitoring, initiate, controlling, executing, mas kailangan ng madaming resources talagang kapag larger projects.
Resources. The number of resources required for a short term. The project typically depends on the type of product or service being developed. Short-term projects usually require specialized expertise. For example, you might institute a short-term project to analyze a recurring product problem and devise a solution. Large, complicated development projects typically require numerous resources over the course of the project life cycle to initiate, plan, execute, control, and close the project.
Ano naman ang impact ng small and larger projects? Well, logically speaking, we expect that those the project are impactful. More impactful the short-term project. Why? Because the scale of the target of the large project and larger in the small-term project.
Impact. Short-term projects typically have a limited impact. You may handle a specific problem or react to a situation. Once the project team disbands, longer-term projects tend to have a larger impact on the business, community, or employees. For example, you might institute a long-term project to analyze complex problems and make sweeping change that affect your entire company. Project team members typically commit to working on the project for the duration of the effort. This ensures consistency and continuity.
Scope. Mas matagal, mas complex ang long-term project, kailangan ng matinding pagpaplano. Kasi isang maling bahagi lang ng plano, you have to start to the zero.
Scope. Long-term projects tend to be complex. Project plans describe multiple objectives, business needs, and interdependent requirements. Long-term projects may be divided into smaller projects to make them more manageable and to produce more immediate results. Short-term projects typically focus on a single goal. Evaluating short-term projects require less effort and analysis than larger projects. Your company may require a formal scope statement for projects that last more than a month. Establishing this type of governance ensures that the number, features, and requirements of the project is documented early on to prevent miscommunication, misunderstanding, and cost overruns later.
Example of short-term community action initiatives, feeding program, and social amelioration program, example of long-term community action initiatives, disaster readiness campaign, and anti-drug campaign.
BTW guys, don't forget subscribe this channel. Teacher for C and C subjects.